Hello children, welcome to today's section. Children, in the last lecture video, we will discuss string programs. Okay, now I believe you all understood all the programs. Okay, don't forget to copy that programs and study well all the programs. Today, let's start our new chapter, that is list. Okay, so list is a container that are used to store a list of values of any type. List is mutable type. You already studied what is mutable and immutable data types. Mutable means we can change value in place without creating a fresh list. And list is a type of sequence like tuples and string, but it differs them in the way that lists are mutable but string and tuples are immutable. Okay. List and sets are examples for mutable data types and the tuples and strings are immutable data types. Okay, so we can define a list is a container that used to store a list of values of any type. Okay children, the next one, how to create and access a list. Okay, lists are created using square brackets. Okay, see here we have some examples. First one, only square bracket. That means it's an empty list. Okay, here in between this square bracket 1, 2, 3. That means list of integers. All are integer numbers. Here 10, 20, 13.75, 100.5, 90. Okay, these are the list of integers and float. Next one, red, green, blue. Okay, all are given in between double quotes. So, this one is an example of string list. See, this example E001, Rakesh 1, then 90,000.5. Okay, so this one is a list of mixed value. Here A, B, C, all are given in between single quote. So, this one is an example for list of characters. Okay children, so when you give a list without having any elements, then that one is called an empty list. Okay, only square bracket. Next one, how to create a list. Okay, see, to create a list, the following syntax are need to follow. Then first one, list name is equal to square bracket. Okay, then list name is equal to value 1, value 2, etc. Okay, list name, first you can specify list name is equal to square bracket. Then you can use that list to read elements. Otherwise, you can write list name is equal to that values you can given here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here we have an example. Family is equal to father, mother, bro and sis. All are given in single double quotes. Okay, and all are example for string. Here, student is equal to 1, comma, Aman plus 1, 3150. Okay, so this one is another list. Okay, so this construct is known as list display construct. Okay children, this type of construct is known as list display construct. See some more examples. Here L is equal to only square bracket. That means this one is an empty list. Okay, next one, L is equal to list of parentheses. See here, parentheses is given. Okay, instead of square bracket, parentheses is given. Okay, so this one is also an empty list. Okay children, so empty list you can specify either by using this square bracket or this list of, this one is an example for tuple. Parentheses are given for tuples. Okay, list created from tuples. Next one, a long list. See, L is equal to so many elements are given here. So this one is an example for a long list. Next one, nested list. Here 1, 2, 4. Okay, then one list with elements 100, 200, 300, then 20. Okay, so this code will create a list array with 5 elements. See here, first element, 2 second element, 4 third element, and this list taken as single element. Okay, then 20 is the last element. Okay, suppose we want to display 200 Okay, so this 200 is an element in this list. So to display this 200, we can use the code L of 3, 1. Okay, here 0, 1, 2, 3. This list is in the position of 3. Okay, that is the index. Okay, that position is called the index. L of 3. Okay, so L of 3 means this list. Then in this list, 200 is in first position. That is 0th position 100, first position 200. So to display this 200, you have to write this method, that is L of 3, 1. Okay, you have to write like this L of 3, 1. Okay, both 3 and 1 is in square bracket. Next one, here list name is equal to list of sequences. Okay, here you can specify the list sequence. See the example L1. L1 is a list name that is equal to list of welcome. Welcome is given in between double quotes. Okay, so list of welcome means it will take this string or a sequence of characters as a list. Okay, so when you print this L1, WELCOME, all the characters will print. Okay, it is in the individual characters will print, all are separated by commas. Next one, how to create by using tuple. See here, T is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, this one is a tuple. See children, tuples are given in between parentheses. Then L1 is equal to list of T. That means we create a list from a tuple T. Okay, then print L1. See here, not L2, L1. Print L1 means it will print A, B, C, D. See children, here A, B, C, D is in parentheses, but here A, B, C, D is in square bracket. That means now it is converted into a tuple, not tuple, list. This tuple is converted into a list. Okay, T is a tuple, but this L1 is a list. Okay. Next one, how to create list from existing sequences. Okay. See, we can create a list of single characters or single digits through keyboard input. Okay, list of single characters or single digits through keyboard input. See the example, list 1 is equal to list of input and the list elements. Okay, so here you can enter the list elements, or that elements will read into the variable list 1. Then when you print this list 1, what will happen? Okay, that list 1 will be print. Okay, but before that, we have to do one more thing. See here, the above code, whatever the values we will enter will be of string type. You already know the input variable or the input function always read a string type element. Okay, so when you use this statement, this will read only string type elements. Okay, that means whatever the value you enter to the keyboard, all the values will be in string type. Okay, all are converted into a string type. So, to store list of integers through input in Python, we can use eval. Okay, eval to convert the list items to integers. Okay, that is list 1 is equal to eval of input and the list to be entered. Okay, then print list is list 1. So when you enter integer number, that integer number will be converted into integer. Okay, so eval operator or this eval function is used to convert a list of items into integers. Okay, otherwise when you enter this 10, 20, that everything will taken as a string. Okay children, then next one, see here eval of 5 plus 10. This 5 plus 10 is given in between single quotes, that means it is a string. But this eval function will change into a integer, so that's why here the answer is 15. Here eval of 2 star 5, okay, so we will get the answer as 10. Here none is equal to eval of input, enter any value. Okay, so whatever the value is given, suppose the entered value is 20, then print the num, type of num. So print the num means it will print 20, type of num will print class int, because the value, integer value 20 is converted into integer by using this eval. Okay, 20 is a number, it's an integer type, but when we enter this value without using this eval function, then that will taken as a string. Okay, that's why we given this eval function. So this eval function will change or convert all the string into integer type. Okay, then the eval will not only convert the values to int type, okay, but also interpret the value as intended type. That is, if you enter float value, it will convert it to float, or if it is list or tuple, it will convert it. Okay, children. Next one, eval function. See here, in this eval function convention, list 1 is equal to eval input enter values. Here enter values 10, 20, 30. Okay, we can give these values in between square bracket. Okay, because it is a list. Then print the list1 means, or list1 means it will print this list. Okay, children. Next one, accessing elements. Similarity with strings. Just like string, every individual elements of list are accessed from their index position, which is from 0 to length -1 in forward indexing, and from -1 to minus length in backward indexing. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements given. Okay, mango, apple, guava, pomegranate and cherry. Okay, in the forward indexing, the index positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this type indexing is called forward indexing. Then backward indexing like this. Okay, this arrow means forward indexing and this arrow represents backward indexing. That's why the backward indexing positions are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so we can say that the mango, the index position of mango is either 0th position or -5th position. Both hold the same element. Okay, children. Next one, how to access list elements. Okay, if list element is large, it will store the reference in the list and the values will be stored somewhere else. Okay, list elements are accessed just like string, like str2 means character at second index. List 1 of 2 means elements at second index, and list 1:3 means all items between 1 to 2. See, the upper limit is not included. Okay, children. So this is how we read elements, or we access elements from the list. Here, another similarity. Okay, length. The same length function, that is len function, we can use on list to find out number of elements in the list. Okay, indexing and slicing, membership operators in and not in, then concatenation and the replication operator plus and star we can use with this list. Okay, here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A of 1 means 2. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, A of 3 means 4, A of -2, here -1, here -2. So A of -2 is equal to 4. Then A of 5, no fifth element, so it will raise an error. Next one, what are the differences in string and list? Okay, although there are many similarities in string and list, but there are many differences between them also. Okay, and the main difference is strings are immutable, whereas lists are mutable. See the example, student is equal to 1 August plus 1A 3150. And student of 3 is equal to 6300. Then student means, see the value is changed, 3150 change it as 6300 because it is a list is mutable. Okay, children? So children, now I believe you all understood all the topics that I covered today. So, should copy the notes into your notebook. Okay, see, remember, you have to study all the notes thoroughly. The concept should be clear. Okay. You can create or you can develop a good program only when the concept is clear. Okay. See you again. Thank you.